We can drop the mid pipe out. Now, the mid pipe though does have a hanger here. So we're gonna need to back this off the hanger. What I do recommend is frequently getting metal through rubber can be a bit of a challenge. So you can use, a little bit of soapy water. You can use WD-40 to basically get this to come through the rubber grommet much more easily. Now, with this pipe is loose, I'll be able to get a little bit more torque and be able to maneuver the pipe to get this through the grommet here or this rubber hanger. All right, so go ahead and loosen up or take those bolts out, loosen up your mid pipe, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, so one quick tip. So the 14 millimeter bolts on the other side, so they're actually a bolt with a nut on the back. So you have to counter hold with a 14, so you can take off the front side, you can take off the nut with like an impact wrench or something similar, and you have to hold. Here, back up at the top, just below the resonator, these are 14s, but the backs are actually 12s. So you can hold these with a 12 millimeter wrench or a 12 millimeter deep socket, something similar, while you take these 14 millimeter bolts out. So go ahead and get these out, and then we can drop the mid pipe down. All right, so the good thing is those rubber hangers are really soft rubber, so they're really easy to just slide off. Like I said, use a little bit of soapy water or WD-40. Now, if you notice, these hangers for the back boxes on each side don't have a flange on the end. So basically, you can just feed the hanger off, and you can see it's almost gonna come off here with one hand. There's one on both sides, so just slide these off the hangers and then drop out both back boxes, and then your OEM exhaust will be out.